Hey, it's Paul with Rack Attack, and this is a comparison between the Thule Evo flush rail base roof rack system and the Thule Edge flush rail base roof rack system. Both of these systems are for approved vehicles with factory installed flush side rails. And both of these systems require a vehicle specific fitting kit. And the fitting kit includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases which rest directly on the flush side rail, and 4 sets of these rubberized metal brackets which grip to the flush side rail. Now let's take a moment to look at how these components of the fitting kit attach to the feet on these systems. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble the fit kit components to the feet. And it is the same method, whether it's the Evo foot or the Edge foot. Now to do this, we'll just first remove the cover. So I'll take off that outer cover, and then we'll begin assembling the individual parts. So first here we have the inner bracket, which has the letter A on it, and that indicates it's the first component to be installed. Next we have the rubber, which has B on it, and that's the second component to be installed. And then we have the outer part of the bracket, and that has C in it, stamped on it, and that comes on next. And then lastly, we have this barrel nut that'll hold those on and also tighten them to the side rail. So we'll go ahead and act as if we're tightening this on completely onto the side rail. And in order to get the correct tension, a tool is included that will determine the proper tension, and it's actually a torque indicating tool which has a click once it reaches full tightness. We'll go ahead and demonstrate that here. So once it's all the way tight, you'll hear that click, and then you can go ahead and put your cover into place. Now with a coin, you can just turn the plastic knob to hold that cover in place. You do have the option to replace that plastic knob with a Thule lock cylinder, which are sold separately in matched sets. Okay, now let's take a close-up look at the Evo flush rail base roof rack mock-up that we have here. Here we're featuring the black powder coat finish. You can also get this system with the silver finish as well. Now, the primary difference between these two systems is that the Wing Bar Evo extends over and beyond the foot, giving you more carrying capacity width-wise in the track on this system. Now, let's take a close-up look at the Edge system. And here you have the ultimate in aerodynamics with the shortest possible bar and the lowest profile. And then you have the styling of the flush-ended foot design. Now here we're featuring the silver bar. This is offered in the black powder coat finish if you prefer that color. Okay, and those are the key differences between the two systems. These two systems are both available at rackattack.com. Please click the link in our video description where we have our vehicle guide that will help you determine exactly which system is compatible on your specific vehicle. If you have any questions about either one of these systems, feel free to leave those in the comments section below, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.